Ke kwen in NPP min kwen ma vote ma NDC. Like I know ni ke NDC ba fe no ni NPP fi one ma vote NPP. Because ma wo fen wo no mi. De mokome papa no de mokome oku no. Ewo asani aka rules English. The one aka diversity. Asani wo practice or this nepotism.
Te ogbe ke hini oje.
Acho mi Ernest Noti nje Chorkor no. Ye bridge no. Apo nyeshia.
Mene o shiki fon gbe ni ani o fe ono mo ogbe na mo lo.
Mfe no ta. O shiki ele etomoni wo he independence e. Ni mekumeni akema wo amede with time wona ake amba ye aboa ni amengbewo. Ewo be asani woden che wo no tomo beni wo pledge we should rise against oppressors rule ni wona ke oppression ni ya no anyema no ono sisi awo ma egbe me ni ambakpa wo fa no ke ma wo amede afi na mento no wo mu wo hia megbe wo bi ehye na ke wale wo wode ni na ka wale wonta no mo tun amake e wale wo de yo wo no nutumo wo tun
wo no te process tete
o mi no ni tiele e coming di
na agba
dabi less than 5 minutes engbena.
Okay ina ke moko here anchele e ko nwe fetumo fix no ko ejen ale no won ta o be ka o ye nile ko ye no ni we feel like
ye nile ojugba e ja ke eji measures ni akanmashi mi NDC nyojimi dabi afomi awomi she with time ina ke that is the best place I should be. Measures in what take place. Okay, work light baba. No na honorable Okovandapo. Le ekep yani a fix or light eh. Konika biye sheni dun wo anya su light eh koni akwenofiano. E da ga de san itomi dun yeje. E woni dun yeje wo ba gbe dun fen dun kekande ye biye.
Moko ba ka ke interview ani ne interview boy. No we NDC sane mita ma bibo noko bia na efeto mo wo youth wo jomon chake wona me ko na atwa me voting floaters can be and all that youth is eager ke wo ba na leader papa shimita ma bibo ale no party mi no yo keje ko le nmene ni bi ya na ojogba mino ba fe
to mo be no we na kan ni ke kwen in NPP min kwen ma vote ma NDC. Like I know ni ke NDC ba fe no ni NPP fi one ma vote NPP because ma wo fen wo no mi de mokome papa no de mokome oku no ewo asani aka rules English the one aka diversity asani wo practice or this nepotism nyami me weku me dabi je amepe ke meneni NPP nyo na ba won weku nyo as minister ni efimi manyama yengo ne ba menoko na keji ke abawo mukokuro weku nyo ni efile banye twale ke ye ko alo nuchumoko ni atuon because when you have power nuchumo din ko meye tabla che to mo nuchumo ni a painter loligbe a ball loligbe asa gbedian ke ni bi no me nuchumo ni ne wakola ke municipal assemblies ke ha me sike ha ke ha weku me pe ne buele da na fe about chichimie that means over deprive the other people
okay ko na ni eja e bi oba yue no ba ha mokonklo ni banye ekema
yeah because with time wona ke eye walami ewo ke mo wo wi onuku ake obi eleke tupu na ke machine over vote one Dabi these very elections where wonyami nu ko ye bi actually Joseph Kome edumoshi honorable Akpalu ticket no he is our brother he is a friend one of no he is a good guy honestly he is a good guy see ni eji ake me I looked at personalities in where NPC especially, I looked at the personalities. I looked at somebody that has the aura
the
experience, and somebody that can attract something for our constituency. That's why I'm voting for Okova Napo. But for me, they know. Me, I'm a Alut guy. Honorable Alut, Egbomo Jimmy. Me, if you Alut, can this? See, I'm not that fan of, but I admire Okova Napo, policies and how he has handled the type of politics we do here. Then it can change about the type of politics we do in Ablekuma South. Unlike the other MPs, he doesn't do that. He has come with a different approach, which is helping. So that tomorrow, when somebody else is an MP, the person can also build on that foundation so that to change the mindset of the people. Okay, an MP is not for that. Yes, it's for the welfare of the people. Sometimes people take advantage of such situations. In sumo policies can be handled.
The one you went in for
Okova Napo. Okova Napo Alut Dumosien straight Alut. That be Alut about Dumosien. Alut ke Jomama Alut.
Be ora do akona wo kesane gba bo wa ke shida
ofane bon ora do ake o ha me audience no ma join yakoni nyane chumo ayam.